Hi guys, Simon here. In some warped form of information inception, I am attempting to talk about convergence in video games while playing through a video game that I made with a video game using a video game console. How many times can I say video games in this clip? Maybe it could be some sort of drinking game. I'll be using the game scene that I've personally crafted utilizing Media Molecule's PS4 titled Dreams. Try not to laugh at my skill level in game design, but the simple fact that I, a 30-something-year-old tech dinosaur, was able to create this masterpiece and share it with anyone crazy enough to access it speaks volumes of the incredible leaps in technology and usability that have come to characterize the video games industry. I'm going to get a little academic here, so bear with me. Digitization has allowed previously different media and information forms to blend together, creating new hybrid entities that combine many of the features of the old form, as well as creating new ones. The technological dimension of convergence offers consumers much greater choice in terms of both content and how that content is accessed. Games consoles actually represent an archetypal example of convergence. Long before the web became popular, home video game consoles were already positioning computer tech as entertainment by integrating it with televisions in homes across the globe. After a decade dominated by pure gameplay in cartridge and controller-based consoles, the 90s video game industry began to really embrace the idea of convergent technology and media. The most important feature of this generation was CD-ROM integration. This was a clear break with the cartridge-dominated tradition, with these consoles featuring the ability to also play music, effectively beginning the epoch of games consoles as entertainment centers. In this same period, the first manufacturers, excuse the pun, took it to the next level by including an inbuilt modem. While online gaming was hinted, more emphasis was placed on the ability to play DVDs, increasing the media options consoles provided. As the console wars have continued over the past decades, convergent features have continued to compile, cementing the mantle of an all-in-one entertainment center. Next-gen graphics and data processing video game tech has continued to include new and improved features such as inbuilt cameras, motion sensing, Blu-ray, voice control, wireless controllers, the list goes on and on. We are currently on the threshold of yet another iteration of the console wars generation, with convergent technologies and features such as augmented and virtual reality and entirely cloud-based gaming servers being touted by the best. Let me reiterate the fact that the entirety of this project has been created utilizing a PlayStation 4 and its convergent technologies, gameplay, video capture, voiceover, editing and sharing, oh my. As a medium that was born digital, video games represent the personification of both digitization and convergence. What does the future bring? Hopefully for me, another games console that makes it even easier for my dreams to become a reality. Cheers for listening, guys.